Hey guys, welcome to lzh-project. My name is Salman Francis, and this is part 3 of our Squid server of our lzh-project server edition. As per last time, if you remember, we configured how we can block website access for our users based on regular expressions, and in this video we will see that how we can restrict access of the client based on IP address. So in front of your screen you can see that we have our old configuration file. I have not changed anything, so let's go back in our configuration file and remove this access for blocked sites. I'm just going to comment them. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm just going to comment, and it's back to its previous configuration, and system ctl restart squid. Okay, now we are going to block based on IP address. So let's go to our client machine and check what's our IP address and first try to access if internet is available or not. Okay, I'm back to my client machine, and I will try to first browse if internet is available. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so if I try to browse, now I can browse even yahoo.com because I have already disabled that regular expression and blocking of websites. So we will have no issues with Yahoo or web.com. So you can see that we can easily open the websites. Okay, I have some issues with my mouse, so just a minute, let me pause the video. Okay, I'm back, and now if we try to access web.com, which was blocked earlier, but you can see that it's also accessible. So what else we can do? Now we need to check what IP address does our client have. So to check our IP address, I'm just going to go to the terminal. Okay, I lost my terminal. Back over here, let me clear the screen, and if config will reveal, okay, if config eth0 will reveal that it's 192.168.1.80. so we need to block this client. So how we can do it? Let's go to our server. Okay, I'm back to my server, and let's go back in our etc squid.com, and over here just above this allow lzh-squid, we are going to create one ACL, and this time it's going to tell what IP address needs to be blocked. So let's call this bad guy, and this time we need to mention the source. Source is 192.168.1.80 and http underscore access deny bad guy. That's it. And now it's going to deny everything for this bad guy. So let's see what will happen. Save and exit. System ctl restart squid. Okay, everything is good. The status will reveal that it's working. So let's go to the client and try to browse internet. Okay, I'm back to my client machine, and let's just try to browse yahoo.com and it's blocked before it was opened. What about web.com? Blocked. Okay, what about my site, linuxworld.co? It's blocked. What about my other site, itpings.com? It's blocked. So everything is blocked for this bad guy. But to make sure that internet is available, let's ping to our server 168.1.2. It's working. Let's ping to Google. It's working. Google's DNS. So it's working. So we can see that only web access is blocked, but internet is available. Okay, now I would like to share how we can block web access based on time. Or let's say our office starts at 9 a.m. in the morning and closes at 6 p.m. So what we can do is we can give access to our network, full access of Squid, starting from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. from Monday through Friday, and block everything else. So let's go back to our server. Okay, I'm back to my server, and let's go to etc squid.conf, and just above the same Squid access allow lzh, we are going to just comment out this allow lzh-squid, and over here we are going to create another ACL. This time let's call it work hours, and this time we will use time derivative or time variable, whatever you like to call it. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is H, and we use H for Thursday, and Friday is F, Saturday is A basically if you want to restrict on Saturday, and Sunday is S. Anyway, we just want to make sure that from Monday till Friday, and what time? 9 till 18. Okay, and then http:/access. Okay, this time we need to mention our allow with lzh-squid and work hours. What it's saying is allow access to this ACL, which we already know what it is. We can just scroll up, and here this ACL lzh-squid says that it's the full network. So let's go back, and it's saying that we have created another ACL. It says work hours. Time is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. and allow lzh-squid to this ACL. So that's how it's going to work on from this time to this time, and after this time it's not going to work. So let's write and quit, and systemctl restart squid proves that everything is good. Now we need to wait for Monday or some that time, but at the moment it's almost 1 a.m. over here, so I cannot prove that. But status, everything is working, but that bad guy is still blocked. So let's go to that bad guy and check. Okay, I'm back to my client machine, and let's try to browse and www.yahoo.com blocked .bitpings.com blocked. So this bad guy is blocked. So that's how we can block based on IP address, and we can also prevent users from accessing Squid or internet outside our own defined time. In next video we will see how we can block internet access based on Squid authorization. So thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe.